The case of Obergefell vs. Hodges is a controversial case that spans many years and has to do with same-sex marriage. While similar cases supporting gay marriage have appeared in the past, the first case to truly pick up traction was brought up by the couple James Obergefell and John Arthur. Obergefell's husband unfortunately died of ALS, and he wanted his name to be on his spouse's birth certificate. Unfortunately, Ohio didn't recognize the marriage, even though the couple had married in a state that did recognize same-sex marriage, which was Maryland. This began a lengthy issue that spanned many years in court trials. 14 same-sex couples petitioned that the state was violating the 14th Amendment, which says that states must recognize any marriage performed in another state. District courts ruled in the petitioner's favor, but the Sixth Circuit Court ruled against it. The case finally ended up in Supreme Court on April 28, 2015. The decision that the Supreme Court had to make for same-sex marriage was whether it was unconstitutional or not. Laws that denied the right to marry to same-sex couples unquestionably treat gays and lesbians unequally compared to other straight couples, and keeps them from marrying. While that doesn't resolve whether the law is unconstitutional or not, it does mean that there is an issue that courts need to resolve. The Supreme Court decided on June 26, 2015, in favor of same-sex marriage. All 50 states, including Ohio, had to recognize every couple's right to marry, same-sex or not. The verdict signifies a new step for humanity, where people are more accepting of other people's preferences. The couples no longer have to go to other states to get married because their home state doesn't recognize their bond. While these marriages are finally recognized by the state, it has not ended all discrimination, and it will take many more years before it stops. Nonetheless, the Obergefell vs. Hodges case is a huge step forwards towards equality.